Welcome to the Rusted Garden Homestead. Today I want to show you how to jumpstart your pile of leaves, get leaf mold quicker, and we're going to just use basic grass clippings. And the difference between leaves and grass is the nitrogen content. Nitrogen really feeds a specific bacteria that causes this hot process to start up and really accelerate decomposition. Now, we're not going to do 100% hot composting here, but you're going to learn a little bit about the principles. So leaves are more carbon, grass is more nitrogen, and when you mix them together, you get the hot composting process started. To jumpstart this, we're just going to throw some grass into the middle and then finish it up with more leaves. I'll talk about how to do that, and I'll talk more about collecting leaves and creating leaf compost. This is the compost bin I showed you how to make in the last video. I will put that video in the video description. So I'm collecting leaves. I'm making leaf mold or leaf compost. Now, leaves take a while to break down. It's a cold composting process, and that's because it's mostly carbons. And carbons slowly break down with fungus and mold, so it takes about a year or so for this to break down, but it creates beautiful leaf mold, leaf compost for your garden. We can speed this process up by dumping in a bag or two of green grass right into the center. So you're going to fill your compost pen up about a third of the way with leaves. Then we're going to drop in some green grass or any kind of greens. Could be weeds, food scrap, but grass is the quickest way to get a nice pile in there. And then we're going to finish it up with leaves. That core of green will really accelerate the decomposition of this pile. Pretty straightforward. So here we are at day 5, and the pile is still cooking at about 140 degrees. And right now, it has dropped down quite a bit. So as it heats up and breaks down, your pile is going to start to collapse. 2 bags of mostly grass dumped right into my leaf compost pile. We're going to cover it up with leaves. This will heat up. It'll speed up breakdown, combination of nitrogen and carbon. I want this to be mostly leaves. If you wanted to do more of a traditional hot composting process, and this is kind of a precursor to learning about that, you could do 2 bags of leaves, your browns, a bag of grass, 2 bags of leaves, a bag of grass, and you're just making a nice lasagna of leaves, grass, leaves, grass, leaves, grass. That whole pile's going to heat up quickly, and it's going to break down quicker than just leaves being, put in there. The combination of leaves and grass creates everything that's, perfect for the bacteria, leaves a lot of air pockets in there, and this doesn't really smell. If you just put in all grass in here, it's going to heat up really quickly, it's going to break down fast, but it's going to smell. The grass compacts, there's no air pockets, and anaerobic bacteria come in, you get really bad smells, and it's not a good process. So you never just want to put in a ton of grass, it's going to stink. Always mix it. Now, that being said, hot composting works, everything heats up, it starts breaking down, but then you have to keep coming out and turning it and doing all that. I just don't want to do that. I don't need compost in 60 or 90 days. So I recommend simply doing this. This will speed up the process. You're still going to have to wait a good 6 months or so to come and harvest the compost. Throw in the grass, jumpstart your leaf compost, jumpstarts any compost pile, and then just finish it with the leaves or the carbon. It's starting to get dark, so I'm going to finish this up tomorrow. You can see that I put in more leaves. You can use pine needles. There's a myth going around that if you use that, it raises the acidity of your garden or decreases the pH. That's just not true. Grass is in the middle. You're not going to turn this. You don't have to do anything. We just threw the grass in to kind of jumpstart the process. You're going to see this fall over the next couple of days, maybe even a foot or so. Just add in more leaves. Just keep the process going. You don't need to over worry about how much grass you put in there, how much nitrogen you put in there. Just throw it into the center, cover it up. The most important thing you can do is really just build the compost pen. Get organic matter into here, get leaves into here, and in a year, minimum, you're going to have compost. If you put in the grass, you're going to get compost sooner, but we're not speeding this along to get it in 30, 60, 90 days. This just jumpstarts the process. Pretty straightforward. This is all you need to do. Throw in the grass into any compost pile, and it's going to speed up the process. Please follow me in 2023. I'll show you how to take care of an entire vegetable garden, and please check out my seed shop at therustedgarden.com. And if you haven't started composting yet, get that bin built, get the leaves in there. You'll really, really appreciate what you started.